A global technology firm operates a high security research and development facility where classified projects are developed. Employees are required to use biometric authentication, smart card access, and security escorts when entering restricted areas. However, recent security audits reveal multiple incidents of employees smuggling out sensitive prototype components using creative methods, including hiding devices and personal belongings. Traditional security controls such as badge scans and surveillance cameras have failed to prevent these incidents, as employees with legitimate access credentials are exploiting their privileges. Which of the following measures would be the most effective in preventing unauthorized removal of sensitive assets? Three, two, one. So the best way is to implement RFID based asset tracking combined with mandatory security screens at all facility exit points. RFID tracking ensures that sensitive materials are accounted for at all times, while exit screening physically prevents unauthorized items from leaving the premises. A software company follows an agile development methodology and releases new features on a bi weekly basis. However, after launching a recent application update, a security researcher discovered a major vulnerability that exposed user account data to unauthorized third parties. The company later determined that vulnerability originated from an insecure third-party API that was never audited before integration. The security team now wants to improve its secure software development lifecycle to prevent similar incidents in the future. What is the most effective strategy to reduce security risks in future software releases? Three, two, one. Implement security testing tools with CI/CD pipeline to automatically scan third-party APIs for vulnerabilities. Automated security testing ensures continuous monitoring and prevents vulnerable third-party dependencies from entering production. A major healthcare provider has deployed IoT-enabled patient monitoring devices in its hospitals to track vital signs in real time. These devices automatically transmit data to a central cloud platform used by doctors and nurses. Recently, the hospital security team discovered that unauthorized third parties were able to remotely access the IoT devices due to default manufacturer credentials that were never changed. Which of the following actions would best mitigate the risk of unauthorized access to these devices? Now, in real time and in real life, this is just a fact. Whenever convenience is presented, it inherently reduces security. So it's cool that you got monitoring devices that can give vital signs, all that stuff in real time, and it's just something that's just on the actual patient, but that's more convenient, make things a little bit easier. But you're going to give up some security, and that's why people are accessing these devices. Three, two, one. Mandate password changes for all IoT devices and enforce unique credentials per device. Changing default credentials eliminates one of the most common attack vectors used to compromise IoT devices. Because you got to understand, it ain't always some super complex, um, evil scientists villain shit going on. Sometimes just as simple as, let me just try the password that came with this shit, because most devices have a default password that comes with the instructions, and it says biggest day, change this shit as soon as you set everything up. And if you don't change it, that's one of the first passwords that somebody is going to try, or to try to authenticate and get inside of a device to do whatever it is that they want to do. All right, so in the comments below, let me know, have you taken CISSP before? And if you are thinking about taking CISSP, put your date in the comments. This way we're going to hold you accountable to make sure that you take that CISSP when you're supposed to, and then come back, right? So if shit not the way you wanted to, no big deal. Just say, hey, this is what happened. This is what I saw. This is what I messed up on, and we can keep each other accountable and keep each other, on track when it comes to changes in exams, things that we did right, things that we did wrong, and the things that you guys are seeing on the exam, and the areas that everybody that's watching this needs to work on. All right, let's go to the next one. A multinational company handling intellectual property and trade secrets has recently experienced data leaks from trusted employees. Security logs indicate that employees are sending sensitive data to personal email accounts and cloud storage devices. Although the company has a database or data loss prevention system in place, the current policy only blocks USB file transfers and email attachments, but does not monitor other exfiltration methods, such as copy and pasting sensitive information into web-based applications. Which of the following is the best way to enhance the company's DLP strategy to prevent further data links? The best way. Three, two, one. So the best way is enhance DLP policies to monitor clipboard activity, screen captures, and cloud storage uploads. Advanced policies prevent non-traditional data exfiltration methods, including copy pasting, screen captures, and cloud uploads. All right, gang, that was our training for today. If you did a good job, great. If you didn't do a good job, that's still great. You're still trying. Keep on coming back. I drop videos just like this on numerous certifications throughout the week. You drop 3 or 4 videos a week. Some CompTIA stuff, some Cisco stuff, some AWS stuff, some CISSP stuff, some CH stuff, all different certifications, because pretty much the baddest motherfucker on the internet that does this, right? So if you're looking to get into the Zero to IT Hero program, make sure that you log into itrescue.com and enroll into the Zero to IT Pro program. That way you will be eligible to get into the Hero program in September. If you are just starting off, we have the IT Fundamentals course as well, and also the Practice Test Vault. All that information is in the description. If you like this video, if it was valuable to you, at a minimum, like this video so I can get into the algorithm and help more people just like you. Other than that, I'll see you in class.